Hello, I'm W.P. Swazo, and I want to talk to you a little bit about consumer theory. Now, before we begin, I just want to say, under consumer theory, our quantities, the quantities of what we choose, reveal our preferences, but our trades, what we're willing to trade, must always reflect prices, or else we can be exploited. Okay, taking a look at this exercise here, what you have in front of you are MU. These are MU, marginal utility. What does another slice of pizza or another can of Pepsi or another bag of pretzels bring us? What do they add to our happiness in terms of utility? Over here, I have total utility, our tab, and total utility over tab to see how far along we go. Okay, taking a look at this, if this were a party where prices don't apply, we would start by having 2 slices of pizza, then a third slice of pizza with a can of Pepsi, because that's where we get our most units of utility or utils, units of satisfaction. But if we must pay, the first thing we have to do is divide all of these margin utils by prices. So pizza is $4 a slice. So all of these values must be divided by 4. All of these margin utilities must be divided by their respective price, because caviar is a great product and so is champagne, but both are very expensive. So instead, I'll settle for the soda and hot dog at Costco. So dividing by price. Pretzels are $1 a bag, so no division needed. Okay, so look how pizza works out to be. Cans of Pepsi. Now, earlier I said if this were a party, we would start with 2 slices of pizza, almost 3 slices of pizza before having our first drink, but things are different now. What will we have first? Well, what brings us the most satisfaction per dollar would be that first can of soda. But if we have a can of soda, it brings us 60 utils. So even though I choose it because it brings 30 utils per dollar, that first can of soda does bring 60 utils. 60 utils is what I have. I've spent $2. So 30 utils per dollar. Oh, there it is. What would we have second? Looking at all these numbers, well, we have pizza at 25 utils per dollar and a second can of soda at 15. I'll have my first slice of pizza. So we will have soda first, pizza second. So now 160 is my total utility. 160 is my total utility. I have spent $6. So 26.7 utils per dollar so far. My third item, 20 utils, 15, 10. I'll have another slice of pizza. Which has 80 utils, bringing my total utility up to 240. However, pizza is $4 a slice, so now my tab's up to 10. 24 utils per dollar on average is what I am, the happiness or satisfaction I'm acquiring as I keep my wallet open for this meal. Okay, what item shall we have fourth? Fourth place, we have a tie. We have a tie. We have a tie between soda and pizza. If I were to go ahead and order a pizza, and then while the pizza is being warmed up, a friend offers me a can of Pepsi, I would say to him, no, it has to be 2 cans of Pepsi for a slice of soda at this stage. I want 2 cans of Pepsi for my third slice of pizza, because why? $2 fits into $4 twice, or 30 fits into 60 twice. So as I mentioned at the beginning, our quantities reveal our preferences, and maybe I prefer food over drink or pizza over Pepsi. But if you want to trade me a Pepsi for pizza, even though I've eaten more than I've drank, I need 2 cans of soda for 1 slice of pizza, because $2 is half as much as $4, or 30 is half as much as 60. So let's say I have both at the same time. 90 to 240, 30 and 60 is 90, 90 to 240 is 330. And that would be $6 more. My tab is at 16. So now 20 and change. All right. So here's 4th place right in the middle. To recount, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What shall I have 6? What shall I have? What will be my 6th item? 7.5, 5. Oh, I finally have pretzels. So my total utility rises to $340. I'm spending $17, and 17 goes into 34 twice, and I get 20 utils per dollar. So if you ever wonder, could there be a theory or mechanism to explain how I select items as I go up to a food counter? Maybe this doesn't happen exactly, but this would be the most on target way to describe or predict what someone chooses. So I hope this has explained some of consumer theory to you. Thanks for watching.